Hello everyone. Today we will solve a few most important MCQs on our one of the major law subject, that is CPC. Okay, so those who are preparing for All India Bar examination this year, this video is very helpful for you all. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start today's lecture. Okay, so let's start. So the first question is our So the first question is our order has been defined as a formal expression of any decision of a civil court, okay, which is not a decree. Okay. So options which are the options? Options are section 2 subsection 1 of CPC, section 2 subsection 4 of CPC, section 2 subsection 9 of CPC, and section 2 subsection 16 of CPC. So the correct answer would be our section 2 subsection 14 ऑफ सीपीसी. इधर में हम लोगों का क्या ऑर्डर का मेंशन किया गया है. ठीक है. सो अंडर सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 14 में क्या डिफाइन किया गया है. इधर हम लोगों का ऑर्डर को डिफाइंड किया गया है. ओके. सो इन दिस केस ऑप्शन बी वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके. सो दैट मीन्स ऑर्डर कौन से सेक्शन में डिफाइन किया है. सो ऑप्शन बी दैट इज सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 14 में हम लोग का ऑर्डर को डिफाइन किया गया है. ओके. सो नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ए डिग्री होल्डर. ओके. ए डिग्री होल्डर हैज बीन डिफाइंड एज ए पर्सन, ओके, in whose favor a decree has been passed or an order capable of execution has been made under. Options are section 2 subsection 3 of CPC, section 2 subsection 13 of CPC, section 2 subsection 4 of CPC, section 2 subsection 16 of CPC. Okay, so degree holder कौन से section में define किया है. Section, the correct option would be option A, that is ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 3 में हम लोग का सीपीसी में डिग्री होल्डर के बारे में डिफाइन किया गया है. ओके. सो अगर देखेंगे सेक्शन 2 क्लोज सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 13 में क्या डिफाइन किया गया है. इधर मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी को डिफाइन किया गया है. सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 4 में हम लोग का डिस्ट्रिक्ट को डिफाइन किया गया है. एंड सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 16 में क्या डिफाइन किया गया है, उसका प्रेस्क्राइब्ड के बारे में लिखा गया है. ठीक है. दैट मीन्स प्रेस्क्राइब्ड का मीनिंग क्या है. ठीक है. सो नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Moving to next question. Next question is about a decree holder. Okay, a decree holder. देखिए ऑप्शन सर. Need not be a party to the suit. The term is not confined to plaintiff. Both A and B, neither A and B. So the correct option will be both A and B. A decree holder need not be party to the suit. The term is not confined to plaintiff. So both A and B. So in this case, option C would be the correct answer. Okay. जो डिग्री होल्डर होता है वो नीड नॉट बी पार्ट ऑफ द suit and it is not confined to the plaintiff only. Okay, so now moving to next question. Next question is देखिए foreign court. Okay, foreign court under section 2 subsection 5 of CPC means क्या क्या देखिए. A court situated outside India, a court situated outside India and not established under the authority of government of India, and a court situated in India applying foreign law. Okay, all of the above. So the correct option would be our that is option B, that is a court situated outside India. इंडिया के बाहर है and not established under the authority of government of India. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के अथॉरिटी के बाहर है. ठीक है, अंदर नहीं है. So that will be considered foreign court as per the provision of section 2 subsection 5 of CPC, that is the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Okay, so now moving to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. जजमेंट. ओके, जजमेंट अंडर सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 9 मीन्स क्या है. देखिए, ए डिग्री Dismissal of an appeal summarily, statement of ground on an order or a decree, and all of the above. So the correct option would be our option C, that is judgment means means statement of ground on order or decree. So in this case, option C would be the correct answer. Okay. So now moving to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. ओके. लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अंडर सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 11 ओके ऑफ सीपीसी means a person who is options are relative of parties to the suit, co-sharer of the benefit assuming to the parties to the suit, who in law represent the estate of the deceased, all of the above. Okay, so the correct option would be option C. That means legal representative कौन होता है? Who in law represents the estate of the deceased. Deceased व्यक्ति का जो represent करता है वही legal representative है as per the provision of section 2 subsection 11 of the CPC, that is the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Okay, now moving to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. कोर्ट ऑफ स्मॉल कॉज अंडर सेक्शन 3 ऑफ सीपीसी इज सबऑर्डिनेट टू whom? डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, एक मिनट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, district court, high court, both A and B, neither A nor B. So the correct option would be option C, that is both the district court and the high court. Okay, so that means court of small cause under section 3. Okay, under section 3 of CPC is subordinate to whom? District court and high court. So in this case, option C would be the correct answer. Okay, now moving to next question. Next question is pecuniary jurisdiction. Okay, pecuniary jurisdiction of the court has been dealt with in which section? Options are section 3 of CPC, section 4 of CPC, section 5 of CPC, and section 6 of CPC. Okay, section 6 of CPC. So the correct option would be option 6. That is सेक्शन अंडर सेक्शन 6 में, अंडर सेक्शन 6 में क्या मेंशन किया गया है? इट्स ऑल अबाउट पिक्यूनियरी जुरिडिक्शन. ओके, पिक्यूनियरी जुरिडिक्शन के बारे में इधर बोला गया है. सो इन दिस केस ऑप्शन डी वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question is our courts have jurisdiction to try all suits, okay, of a civil nature, excepting suits the cognizance of which is either expressly or impliedly barred by virtue of what? Options are of section 8 of CPC, section 9 of CPC, section 10 of CPC, section 11 of CPC. The correct option would be option 9. That is, courts to try all civil suits unless barred. Okay, so in this case, option B would be the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question. Now moving to next question. Next question is our which of the following is a right of civil nature? Civil nature का कौन सा right है? ठीक है, ऑप्शन सर देखिए, ऑप्शंस क्या क्या है? Right to worship in temple, right to share in offerings in temple, right to take out the procession. Okay, so all of the above. So the correct option would be all of the above. That means here option D would be the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question. Which of the following, okay, which of the following is not right of civil nature? Okay, options are caste and religion, right to service, which are honorary and gratuitous, bridge, mum, rights. Okay, so the correct option would be option D, that is both A and B. A and B, this is not the right of civil nature. So ये भी right civil nature का नहीं है and ये भी civil nature का नहीं है. So correct option would be in this case option D would be the correct answer. Okay, now moving to next question. Jurisdiction to civil court can be barred. Options are Expressly only, impliedly only, either expressly or impliedly. Okay, neither expressly nor impliedly. So the correct option would be option C. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. That is, jurisdiction of the civil court can be barred either expressly or impliedly. So the correct option will be option C. Now moving to next question. All these questions are very important. ठीक है, एग्जाम के पहले आप लोग ये वीडियो अच्छे से देख के जाना। तो देखना अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है सीबीसी के अंदर से, तो आप लोग को दिस वीडियो विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। ठीक है, सो वीडियो ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके, फॉर एनी लॉ एग्जाम। सो देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अवर principle. Okay, principle of res subjudice is contained in which sections? Okay, options are section 10 of CPC, section 11 of CPC, section 13 of CPC. So the correct option would be section 10. That is section 10 में क्या बोला है, res subjudice के बारे में बोला है, and section 11 में क्या बोला है, res judicata. This is very important question, you know. This is very important. Res judicata, res subjudice. Most of the time, this question is asked. Okay, in any exam, it could be judicial service exam, it could be AIB exam. These are the main sections. That means section 11, res judicata, res subjudice. These are very important section of our the code of civil procedure. Okay, now moving to next question. Next question, and this is our last question. Okay, so the next question is the set off is, what is set off? Set off is, options are reciprocal agreement between the plaintiff and defendant, reciprocal ascertainment of debt between the parties, both A and B, neither A nor B. Okay, so the options are, so the correct option would be our option B, that is reciprocal ascertainment of debt. Okay, between whom? Between the parties. That means set. What is set off? Set off means ascertainment of debt. Ascertainment of debt. Okay, so this is for all today. If you liked this lecture, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, in this video channel I have also started MCQs on various law subjects which are very important for our upcoming all India bar examination. So if you don't want to miss any video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.